Hello student, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Doing study at home. Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School, situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of Maths, chapter 3rd, subtraction up to 10. What's the name of chapter is? Chapter 3rd, subtraction up to 10. So, without time wasting, take out your maths living book. Okay students, take out your maths living book. Open chapter 3rd. Open chapter 3rd. Previous video you have learned to subtraction up to 10, subtraction picture and backward counting strip subtraction, picture subtraction and vertical subtraction, subtraction 1 and subtraction 0, subtraction fact 1, subtraction fact 2 and 3, subtraction fact 4 and 5, subtraction fact 6 and 7, subtraction fact 8 and 9 and 10. Okay students, so today I will teach you new topic picnic time story sum. Okay students, today I will teach you new topic picnic time story sum. First all of F, subtract and write. Okay students, so student, look at the pictures and picnic times. All the students go the picnic. Okay, you have many balloons, kites, ball, swimming and butterfly, running and etc. play. Okay students, many types of object, all the childrens. Okay, so come to the that one's story related picnic time story related sum. First one, there are 9 children. So students, going to picnic are 9 children. Okay, 4 of them are boys. It means there are 9 children, 4 of them are boys. How many girls are there? So student, picnic going time, all the students picnic go 9 children. It means 4 children are boys and after that how many girls? Define how many girls. So first of all, if you write 9, after that 4 minus, first of all you write here 9 and after that write your 4. So subtraction sign for that box. 9 minus 4, 9 minus 4, write here number 5. 9 minus 4, write in the box number is 5. The answer is 5. So students, clears all the girls is 5 girls. Total students 9 and 4 childrens, 4 students boys and after that 5 girls. Is that clear students? Okay, is that clear? After that second sum. Okay, Second one, there are 4 swings. 2 children are on the swings. How many swings are empty? Okay, there are 4 swings. 4 children are go swings and two children are on the swing. 2 children are on the swing. So how many swings are empty? How many swings are empty? First of all, if you write your 4 and after that write your number 2, subtraction sign, and after that box. Okay, 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. Write your number 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 4 minus 2 subtracting by 2. So students, clear that 4 boys is 4 children are swing. So left here 2 children on the swing. How many swing are empty? So blank it 2 children. Blank it 2 children. Okay, is that clear, students? Now third one, there are 5 butterflies. Picnic garden and in 5 butterflies. Okay students, all of them fly away. How many are left? All of them fly away. How many are left? Okay students, picnic ground is butterflies are 5. So first of all, if you write your digit 5 and all of them fly. Okay, how many are left? So total fly, students, total butterfly, all of the fly, it means left. Okay, so again you write your number 5. 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5. 0. 5 minus 5. 0. There are 5 butterflies. All of them fly away. How many left flies? 0. The answer is 0. The answer is 0. Okay students, total butterflies are 5 and all of them total butterflies fly away. Okay, all of them, it means total butterflies fly away. How many are left? So how many left are butterflies? 5 minus 5, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. The answer is 0. How many no butterfly? Left butterflies 5, remaining bar 0. The answer is 0. Okay, now next one, fourth one. There are 6 balloons. There are 6 balloons in the bunch. Rohan burst 1 balloons. How many are left? Look at the picture. Rohan has 6 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 balloon has burst. 1 balloon has burst. So how many left Rohan's balloons? How many left balloons? Okay, 1 balloon is burst, so 5 total balloons is 6. 1 balloon is burst. So how many left total balloons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many total balloons? 5. Is that clear, students? So first of all of you write here number 6. First you write your number 6. There are 6 balloons. So first write your number 6. In the bunch, Rohan burst 1 balloons. How many are left? So Rohan burst 1 balloons. After that write your number 1. 6 minus 5 after that box. 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1. 5. So how many left balloons? 5. How many left balloons? 5. The answer is 5. Is that clear? Again, students, once again repeated at question. There are 6 balloons in the bunch. Rohan burst 1 balloons. How many are left? 6 minus 1 remaining by 5. So Rohan's has 5 balloons. Okay, Rohan's have 5 balloons. Is that clear, students? All the sums complete in your book. Okay, student, don't say SW copy. First you fill of book. Okay, all the sums complete your book, all the students. Is that clear, students? Okay, thank you. Bye and take care, students.